Happy morning, children. Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School online classes. Okay, so today we are going to see 9th standard English. So first unit we are going to start today. Okay, so before getting into the lesson, so let us give you the thought for the day. So today's thought for the day is, don't stop chasing your dreams because dreams do come true. Understood? So always you should dream, just like our APJ Abdul Kalam said. You have to always dream. Okay, dream, dream, dream until your dream comes true. So you have to just chase your dream. Okay, you have to pursue, put your dreams into actions. Okay, so don't stop chasing your dream. Only if you have a dream, you have to work hard for it, set your goal, and surely one day all your dreams will come true. Okay, children, now let's get into the lesson. So here your class is for 9th and your subject is English. We are going to see the unit 1 prose part. Okay, so the prose, the lesson we are going to see. And this lesson I have divided into 2 parts. So now we are going to see part 1. Okay, and the name of this lesson is Learning the Game. What is this? Learning the Game. So this lesson is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Whose autobiography? You should have guessed it now. It is the autobiography of, yes, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. So this lesson is about Sachin Tendulkar and how he made his dream come true. Understood? And here you could see this picture. He is his coach. Okay, the coach, his name is Ramkant Achrekar. Understood? So this lesson is going to be about these 2 persons. Okay, how Achrekar helped Sachin to achieve his goal. Understood? So how he has learned the game of cricket. Okay, children, now let's get into the lesson. And before that, it's an autobiography. You know what is autobiography and biography? Do you know the difference between these two? Biography is writing about some famous personality. Okay. So a different author will be writing about somebody, isn't it? But autobiography is one will be writing about themselves. That is autobiography. Okay, so here you could see Sachin's autobiography, this lesson. And you know, what are the nicknames of Sachin? I know that he is one of your favorite player, isn't it? So, God of Cricket, Little Master, Master Blaster. So these are some of the nicknames Sachin has. And just see what are the awards he has got. Arjuna Award in 1994. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 1997 to 1998, which is Padma Shri in 1999, Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2001, Padma Vibhushan Award in 2008, and Bharat Ratna in 2014. So he has got so much awards which added to his credit. Okay. So just see here about the author. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He was a former Indian cricketer. What is my former? Yeah, previously he was playing. Yeah. He was a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketer of all time. Do you agree this? He was regarded as one of the greatest cricketers that even we say, no, if Sachin is there, we will be very happy. okay, surely the team will be a success. The match will be on our side, isn't it? So such a greatest cricketer of all time. He made an impact in cricket from a very early age, displaying a prodigious talent. What is a prodigious talent? Yeah, very early age I told you, isn't it? So prodigious means at a young age itself, he was very much talented. The world famous cricketer has set many records in his career and is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all times. Okay, he is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries. The first to score double century in a one-day international, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. Just imagine this. He played 664 international cricket matches in total. So how many matches he has played? 664 international cricket matches, scoring 34,357 runs. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Okay, so learning the game is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Okay, you all know about Sachin. Just to refresh or recall the informations which you know, we have just given about the author. Who is the author? Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar. So this is a autobiography. So before getting into the lesson, we are going to see here some of the words which you will come across in the lesson and learn the meaning of those words also. The first one is prodigious. Prodigious means a talented young person. We already saw that about the author, isn't it? Emulate. Okay, emulate, to imitate or to copy. Okay, legend. Legend means a famous person, you know, legend. Okay, a famous person. Overawed. Overawed means very much impressed. Insistence. Insistence means like demanding attention. Insisting, we say, right? So demanding attention. Scrutinizing. Scrutinizing means examining closely. Okay. Rigorous. So rigorous means extremely careful. Okay. Exhausted. Exhausted means completely tired. Nuances. So what is this? Nuances. Nuances means subtle changes, like a good way of changing. Okay. Routine. Routine is a regular action. Potential. Potential means power. Pursue. Pursue means to follow. You say, you know, pursue your dream, isn't it? So which means follow your dreams. Yes. Priority. Priority means importance. Okay, so what is that? Now let's get into the lesson. Learning the game by Sachin Tendulkar. So just see here. Usually Sachin used to play cricket. We would have seen, no, like lot of children will be playing cricket in the roadside with their friends near their houses, isn't it? So just like that, even Sachin also likes to play cricket with his colony friends. Okay, and he also loved watching cricket on television. Okay, and we usually we used to do, no, if you like any actors or any players, we try to imitate them, we try to behave like them. So just like that, Sachin was very much impressed by the mannerisms of Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. So Sachin's favorite players are Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. But it was not just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling. Okay, so Sachin loved bowling also. Actually, he has bowled a lot in the nets. They will be practicing inside the net only. We know that, no? Yeah, so Sachin has bowled a lot. He loved to bowl. Actually, first he was just studying in New English School, Mumbai. Okay, he was in Mumbai. He was studying in the New English School. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Shardashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. He ran summer camps too. So this is the Sharda Vidyashram school. Sorry, Shardashram Vidya Mandir. Okay. So initially he was in New English School. But his brother knows. What is the name of his brother? Ajit. He knows that in this school only, Ramakant Acharekar sir is giving coaching for cricket. Okay, even we will be having the summer camps during your annual holidays. Summer camps will be conducted. So just like that, he is also conducting summer camps also. Okay, so do you understand this? Yes. So initially, Sachin was playing just like all the kids. He was also used to play in the roads along with his friend, and he used to watch cricket in television. He loved the game. And who are the favorite players? Yes, Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. Then he loved bowling also, isn't it? So initially, which school he studied? New English School. And then his brother knew about which school? Shardashram Vidya Mandir. So who was there? Who was teaching cricket there? Ramakant Acharekar sir. Understood this? Now let's get into the second slide. You can just see here the young picture, the young age picture of Sachin. Okay, this is the family picture of Sachin Tendulkar. So Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So here sir refers to Ramakant Achrekar. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp. So what does this trial at the camp means? Whoever is interested can just come and give a try. If they are good, sir will take them for coaching. If they are not good, they will just send them away. Okay, that's a trial. But then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. This is what I told you. Okay, on seeing their performances in the trial, sir will accept whether to keep them in the team or to send them away. So how old was Sachin by that time? He was only 11 years old. Achrekar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the stage I was when I went to him for the first time, which means this Achrekar sir, no, Sachin's coach, he also started playing cricket when he was 11 years old. Just like that, even Sachin also went to him to start his cricket game by the age of 11. Okay. I had never batted in the nets before. I felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. So what is this? He used to play in the road, isn't it? Just to see if the boy who is playing in the road is just asked to play within the nets, will it be able to do? No, it's not possible for him to play inside the nets, isn't it? And there are so many people who are watching him also. So when he was asked to bat, he was not at all comfortable. So with sir watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed them that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. So he was very much afraid. Okay, he was not comfortable because many people are around him. That too, the coach was watching him very seriously. Okay, he was just watching him very closely. So he could not make his attempt. Okay, so on seeing that, the coach, no, Ramkant Achrekar, he just called his brother. What is his brother's name? Ajit. Yeah, he just called his brother and told him, see, Sachin is very young. He's just 11 years old. Okay, so you can just take him and bring him back when he's growing up. Okay, a little older. When he grows up, you can just bring him back to play cricket. Okay, so this is what Achrekar sir told to Sachin's brother Ajit. Now see, question time now. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Yes, Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards were Sachin's favorite player. Understood? What was special about Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai? Yeah, who is there in Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir school? Ramakant Achrekar was the cricket coach. What is special about him? He gave more importance to the game of cricket and also he ran summer camps. Understood? Okay, now let's see. So what happens? Ramkant Achrekar sir told that Sachin is very young. So Sachin can go and he can come back when he grow up. Okay. So he thought maybe getting into the Mumbai cricket circuit, the team would be a failure for him. But his brother Ajit, he did not give up. Okay, because he has seen Sachin playing in the colony. He knows how good Sachin is in playing cricket. Okay, so he could have performed very well, but out of fear, okay, since everybody is watching him, he felt somewhat uncomfortable, so he could not perform well. Understood? So see here, my induction into Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence. Okay, having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. Isn't it? This is what I told you. And now Ajit just explained to sir what he says. Just give Sachin one more opportunity, one more chance. Okay. So, and he also requested him, okay, requested the coach, sir, can you please watch him from a distance? Because he is very much fear. Okay, he is not comfortable. So can you please watch him from a distance and just see how he is playing? Okay, see here. However, sorry, he explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. Opportunity means chance. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend. Pretend means he should just act to go away. Okay. And then watch from a distance. This is what Ajit requested Achrekar sir to do. And then sir agreed. Okay, so he said, okay, let me do it. Let me give him one more chance. So what he says, I will go and from a distance, I will just see how he is doing. If he is not doing this time also, no, we cannot take him. Okay, this is a chance I've given him. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without Sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me. So which means now Sachin is very much comfortable because coach is not there. He is standing at a distance. He is very much comfortable and he started to play in his own way now. Okay. And he thought that the coach is not watching him. But what actually he is doing? The coach is standing at a distance and he is watching him only. I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. Once he feels that nobody is watching him, he feels very much comfortable and he started to play well. This time, Sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. That's very true, isn't it? If Ramakant Acharekar sir did not give him the opportunity to join the cricket team, we would have missed a great master blaster, isn't it? Yeah, so on seeing Sachin, how good he is at playing cricket, this Ramakant Acharekar sir allow him to join the cricket team. Understood? The camp involved a session every morning and at evening at Shivaji Park. This is a place where they used to practice, okay, morning and evening. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So 7:30 to 10:30, just see, 3 hours in the morning, isn't it? Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening, which means he was just practicing cricket with full involvement and full-fledged training was given. Then the schedule was rigorous. Rigorous means what we have learned now. What is rigorous? Yeah, it's very thorough, full-fledged training. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. So since the training was very heavy, by the end of the day, I'll be very tired, isn't it? Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. Okay, so this is the Shivaji Park is almost 40 minutes he has to travel by bus from his home. Okay, that is why he has to catch an early morning bus. Only then he can reach for the session early. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me. Okay, his brother Ajit used to come with them to get me used to the routine. Routine means his daily practice. Okay, what is routine? So it's a daily work. Understood? So Ajit used to accompany him, to come with him, okay, during the practice session initially. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting. Okay, what is nuances? How you have to make, okay, the small changes that has to be done in my batting. Understood? So during the bus journeys, he used to talk about, who used to talk? Ajit used to talk about the nuances of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. it served as a very personal coaching manual. So his brother used to guide him a lot. Okay, he used to give him lot of advices and techniques on batting. That Sachin was preserving it, and it was serving as a personal coaching manual. Okay, do you understand this, all of you? Now it's question time for you. What was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin? Yeah, do you remember I told you Sachin failed to bat properly out of nervousness in front of Ramakant Acharekar. As per the request from his brother Ajit, the coach stood at a distance and watched Sachin's batting without his knowledge. And then Acharekar let him join the camp on seeing the good batting. This incident had changed Sachin's life. Isn't it? Yes. What sort of conversations did Ajit and Sachin have while traveling? I told you just now. Ajit would talk about the nuances of batting to Sachin while traveling. These, what's nuances? Yeah, the changes to be made, okay? These information about batting served as a personal coaching manual to Sachin, okay? Good. Now let's see the next part of this lesson. Now we know that he has joined the Ramakant Acharekar sir's team. He started to get practice from him. But Sachin was not from a very well-off background. Their father was a normal person. Okay. As a child, so just see here, Sachin used to have only one set of cricket cloths. So what he do, no? Morning session, he will go and he will practice. And then after he returned from the practice session, he used to wash his clothes. It will be drying in the sun. Then again, when he's going in the evening, he will wear the same clothes and he will go for the practice. And this was a good one for him. But only thing is, the pockets will not get dry. That will be always wet. Okay, just see here. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes. And the routine was to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun. And I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. Following morning means the next morning. Do you understand this? This is what I told you now. The system worked well apart from my pockets, which means the dress will be completely dry. Only they will not have enough time for the pockets to dry out. Okay, there was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. Okay. And in the middle of the summer camp, Sir was very much, he was just pushing him in batting. Okay. So he just informed Ajit that Sachin had a good potential to be a cricketer if he is practicing and if he is just focusing fully on cricket. He can become a very good cricketer. Who said this? Ramakant Acharekar told to Ajit that Sachin can become a top cricketer if he completely focused on his game. Okay, but the school where Sachin studied, the first initial school where he studied, New English School, isn't it, in Bandra? That school did not have cricket facilities. Okay, but Sir was very much eager because Sachin is having a good talent in cricket. And so Sir told Sachin has to continue his game. Okay, he has to continue playing cricket. Understood, children? So see here. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. Okay. However, my school, the New English School in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities. And Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue. Pursue means just to follow, okay? Cricket seriously. Do you understand this? Yeah. Now it's question time for you. What routine did Sachin follow in washing his clothes? Do you remember? Yeah, he had only one set of cricket clothes. So once he returned from the morning practice, he would wash it and dry it. Then the same set of cloth he used for evening practice also. Then again he will wash it and use it, isn't it? What did Acharyaker inform Rajat? Acharyaker informed Rajat that Sachin has all the ability to be a good cricketer. Okay, if he practiced all year round. He also suggested to change school for Sachin. Why he has to change the school? Because the school in which Sachin studies has no cricket facilities. Understood? So all these questions are there in your book, children. So listen carefully. Now let's see the next paragraph. Okay, so one evening, so Acharyaker sir decided to change the school for Sachin. He want a school where they allow to continue playing cricket, isn't it? So one evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. So what suggestion is that? To change the school for him. Ajit was in the room with my father at that time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. So what is that? Father and brother both are telling, okay, if Sachin has to continue playing cricket, if he is that much good in cricket, we are ready to change the school for him. Okay. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to change my school, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So what is this? Yeah, the father, once the coach called his father and told him, see, this school does not have any facility for playing cricket. So better change his school. Change to a school where, yeah, playing cricket is readily available. And now the father and brother are agreeing to it on one condition. What is that? Father asked Sachin whether you are very much serious about playing cricket or not. If you are really serious about playing cricket, I am also ready to change your school. If not, no. Okay. So I assured him, I just promised him, I make sure I was. So what Sachin said, yeah, I am very much interested in playing cricket. And so it was agreed that I should move to Shardashram Vidya Mandir. So from New English High School, he came to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. In this school, he was the cricket coach. So all my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. So he was just playing cricket. Okay, always he was just playing cricket. Okay, so just see here. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. Understood? Yeah, so what his father said, don't worry whether you're going to win or lose, just do your best. Don't worry about the result. So finally, Sachin came to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Achareka sir was the coach. Do you understand this? Now just see, children, what suggestion was given by Achareka to Sachin's father? Yeah, Achareka suggested to change the school for Sachin because the school has no cricket facilities. Okay. What acted as a safety valve? In the new school, Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, Sachin decided to join. Ramakant Acharekar was the cricket coach. So the thought of being with Acharekar and the thought of having practice all through the day acted as a safety valve. Do you understand till now? So finally he came to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Acharekar was the coach. So this is about the lesson. So part 1. Let us see how Ramakant Acharekar trained Sachin in the part 2. Okay, children. So till now, I hope you understand. Now it's assignment time for you. We have given the glossary and the questions in the question time, isn't it? So learn that. Learn everything and write it in your classwork notebook. Along with this video, I have given you a PDF also for the question answers, book back question answers and paragraph. Copy that and learn, children. That's the assignment for you. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.